How to make image round and transparent in Google Slides. Here are the steps to make an image round and transparent in Google Slides. 1. Insert the image you want to edit into the slide. 2. Click on the image to select it. 3. In the right sidebar, click on the crop image icon, diagonal lines with dots. 4. Click on the crop to shape drop-down and select circle. This will crop the image into a circular shape. 5. To make the circular image transparent, open the image options section in the sidebar. 6. Under transparency, click the drop-down and choose from options like 25%, 50%, 75% transparency. 7. You can also drag the transparency slider backwards and forwards to adjust the level of transparency. 8. Optionally, go to the color adjustment options and reduce the saturation to make the image grayscale. 9. You can also play with the contrast and brightness to improve the circular cutout. 10. Once done, click outside the image to deselect it and see the transparent circular image on your slide. 11. Adjust the transparency as needed until you get the desired effect.